Are you struggling with making female hairs? Or maybe your face is looking like this, or that, or this one when it's time to make hairs? Then probably my course is for you. My name is Marat. I'm a professional 3D character artist, YouTuber and streamer. Also, having experience of teaching in one of the computer graphics and animation schools, I noticed that hairs is one of the most intimidating topics for beginner and intermediate level artists. For myself, sculpting hairs is not hard at all. It is rather a joyful process and one of the most pleasant parts of my work. So now I decided to share my knowledge with you in this female hair sculpting exercises course. All the techniques I show in the course I use myself when I make character sculpts for my portfolio or a freelance gigs. In this course you will be concentrated exactly on making beautiful looking female hairs. The course includes 30 video lessons recorded in real time with no skips, where I'm explaining step by step the fundamentals of sculpting hairs. In the course we will walk through 4 different types of female hairstyles, including ponytail, braids, anime style, and complex curvy hairstyle. We will start from simple haircut and finish with the most complex one. Before sculpting hairs, we will analyze the references, think how the exact haircut is built, define main blocks of hairs, and plan our work ahead. This course is made in Blender and everything I show is done with native Blender tools. And you don't have to buy any additional add-ons. And if you are a Nomad or ZBrush user, you also can try this course, because I'm showing their basic hair sculpting concepts applicable in any app. The resources folder includes all required references, models with haircuts that I did myself, and a starter bold female bust model, so you can take her, follow the course materials and make hairs yourself. After completing the course, you will be able to make the most kinds of female haircuts because you will understand the basics. And you can find the link to the course in the description to the video, so what are you waiting for?